So apparently, scientists have discovered a rare bacterium that basically eats toxic metals and poops out 24-karat gold. No mines, no refineries, not even human labor, just straight biochemistry. I'd pronounce the name of the bacteria, but honestly, I don't know how to, so I'll write it in the caption. But it lives in toxic soil and somehow produces pure gold from waste. And it's not even new. It was first discovered in 2009, but now it's back in the headlines because it fits a very convenient narrative, especially as the world pushes towards clean energy and sustainable tech in place of dirty mining. This bacteria is being sold as the future, low cost, low pollution, lab controlled gold. Now, is it scalable? Not really. It takes forever to produce a tiny bit. But that's not the point, is it? The point is that they're trying. And if it works, if you can engineer gold, then what? Do you still need Ghana? Do you still need the DRC? Do you need to trade with resource rich nations at all? I mean, I'm not a conspiracy theorist, right? I'm a strategist, an economy buff, a finance babe. But even I have to laugh just a little bit at the timing, because isn't it kind of wild how just as the global south starts taking control of its resources, just as Congo demands cobalt profits, Zimbabwe bans raw lithium exports, Ghana tells miners to sell locally, Nigeria refines its own oil, that suddenly lab-grown diamonds are trending, green hydrogen gets $370 billion in US subsidies, and gold poop nuggets, well, they're back in the news. Now, don't get it twisted. This isn't anti-science. The planet does definitely need alternatives. If climate change is as urgent as they say, and innovation isn't the enemy, right? But the politics around who owns the innovation, that's where the power lives, especially when lab diamonds, which were meant to disrupt the industry, are now losing value fast. Prices dropped over 60% in the last 2 years, they say. Why? Because people still, for now at least, want real. So even as they try to replace the global south with substitutes, the demand, the culture, and the value still come from the source. I mean, it might be coincidence, but it's also cause to ask whether or not this is innovation or insulation from the global south rising. Because yes, lab gold might help recycle e-waste and lab diamonds are flopping, but that's the point. While Africa's busy defending what it already has, the other people are trying to build what's next. Also, before I tell you lot to head to the comment section to me to discuss this, right? Can someone please tell me, where can I get my hands on one of those bugs that are pooping gold? Serious. This is a serious inquiry. Anyway, let's talk.